Ta-da!
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to fry some egg, and I have some, this is probably about 150 grams of cooked crab meat, yeah? And then this is 3 eggs, yep. And I have some spring onion and yellow onion here. I'm going to mix everything up, season the egg, and fry the egg. A bit of tips on the crab meat here. Of course, the best way is for you to buy fresh crab. Usually people will use a flower crab because that is cheaper nowadays. Buy some flower crab, steam it, then after you steam, you take out the meat. But Appa is not that hardworking. I actually bought the frozen one. This is actually the frozen one. All I need to do is just to defrost it, yeah? Yeah. And very easy to find actually online nowadays. So we'll get a mixing bowl, put in the egg. Oops. This egg is not extremely good, but it's okay. Still can be used. Because I ran out of egg at my home, so I went to the supermarket to get just 3 of it just now. Wow, it's really not so good. I have to use it with care. I have 2 nice ones, but I have to leave that for my daughter tomorrow. It will still make do, okay. Next thing, we are going to give it some seasoning. Some white pepper, few dash of fish sauce, a little bit of sugar. Then we can mix everything up. To that, I'm going to put in the veggie, as well as the crab meat. This is actually half a packet of the crab meat I'm using here. The other half I use it to fried rice the other day, which turns out to be very nice as well. Wow, this is a lot of crab meat. It could be too much crab. Not enough of egg here. I may need to add 1 more egg. Let me steal one of my daughter's egg later. I think it's too much crab. Appa is too greedy. Now this is the good one. Mix everything up. And we are going to pan fry this. And I hope I can still get 1 omelette, round shape. Try my best. If not, never mind. Right, once you heat up some oil in the wok, we can actually put in the omelette. Appa is too greedy today. I put too much crab meat. I'm using a medium high heat right now. Slowly pan fry the egg. I'm not sure whether if I can manage to keep the round shape later. Alright, once it has somehow settled, let me check. Yep, okay, it has somehow settled on the other side. Now I'm going to put this onto, try to put this onto another plate. Let me off the fire first. And we will do it very quickly to flip over the egg back into the wok. You have to do it very carefully. Right? This step you have to be very careful, okay? Luckily, I still got round shape. Now I'm going to on back the heat to a medium high or medium to slowly fry it through. Make sure it is fully cooked. Then it is done. To me, the toughest part of making a fried egg is how to get it round shape, maintain the round shape. Sometimes my round shape will become 4 pieces or 5 pieces. But luckily, it's just a home cook, so it's okay. The taste will still be very, very good. Yeah. Yeah, you will see this is egg is behaving like a pancake. It will actually expand a little bit when it is getting cooked. Yeah, almost done. Try not to use too high heat right now. If it's too high heat, it can get cao da quite fast. Yeah. Let me check on the other side. Is it cooked through? Yep, it's definitely cooked through already. Wow, it's super fragrant. My crab fried egg, crab omelette, whatever you call it. I just want to make sure, because this is quite thick, I just want to make sure in the middle is 100% fully cooked. Alright, I should be fine right now. I'm going to off the fire and move it onto a plate at the side. Ta-da! Alright, here's my very simple crab fried egg. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.